Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Patil. Here we are going to discuss about various regulatory bodies, functions of regulatory bodies, COMs and ICH. Let's start. Firstly, various regulatory body. Firstly, we are discuss about what is meant by the regulatory bodies. The regulatory bodies are government agency that make sure regulation, guidelines, compliance is done by industry or any organization called as the regulatory bodies. There are 5 major regulatory bodies. The first is the India, second is Europe, third is UK, fourth is Canada and fifth is USA. First is the India. The regulatory body of India is Central Drug Standard Control Organization, that is CDSCO. Second is Europe. The regulatory body of Europe is European Medicines Agency, that is EMA. Third is the UK. UK is a stand for United Kingdom. The regulatory body of UK is Medicines and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency. Fourth is Canada. The regulatory body of Canada is Health Canada. Fifth is USA. The regulatory body of USA is Food and Drug Administration. Then functions of regulatory bodies. The first is the regulation, second is the guidelines, and the third is the compliance. The first is the regulation. In a regulation, they are regulated the law, and in a regulation function, they pass the law. Second, guidelines. In a guidelines, to make a guidelines, and these guidelines are regulated. And the third is the compliance. In a compliance, it is the main functions of regulatory bodies. In this compliance, the rules and regulation is a follow or not is a confirmed by any industry or organization. Then we are discuss about COMs. The COMs is a stand for Council for International Organization of Medical Science. The COMs come from 2 major bodies. The first is the World Health Organization and the second is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. COMs comes in 1949. Then the functions of COMs. First is they do not have a regulatory powers. They cannot form a regulation and guidelines. They can only give suggestion. They have a indirect impact on WHO, that is World Health Organization. There are 10 working groups of COMs related to the public health. Then we are going to discuss about ICH. So ICH stands for International Conference on Harmonization. The harmonization means to get together. The ICH is a joint innovative involving both regulators and research-based industry represented of 3 major bodies. The body name is first is Europe, second is Japan, and the third is the US. ICH located in Brussels. It was established in April 1990. The ICH guidelines are divided into the 4 categories. The first is the quality guideline, second is the safety guideline, third is the efficacy guideline, and the fourth is a multidisciplinary guideline. This is all about the regulatory bodies, functions of regulatory bodies, COMs and ICH. Thank you so much.